Welcome to the Tracertrak Console. When you first log in, you'll be taken to the home screen where you're able to see the sidebar menu and the map screen. To toggle the sidebar on and off, simply click the Toggle Sidebar button at the bottom left corner of the screen. To hide the people filters, simply click on the X button at the top right of the panel. And to hide the home menu, click on the arrow at the top right of that panel. You will now see the map view. To navigate around the map, you can left-click and drag to move the map around, and you can zoom in and out of the map by using a mouse scroll wheel. Alternatively, you can use the plus and minus icons in the top right corner of the screen to zoom in and out. Additional information can be found via the Help option in the drop-down menu below the avatar icon in the top right corner of the screen. You can also access the Tracertrak Next Generation Console manual directly from the Pivotel website by visiting the link below. In the bottom right corner of the map screen, you will find icons that help you define what is present on the map screen. Simply click on these icons to interact with their features. The information icon provides an at-a-glance legend of the different geofence statuses you might have on your map screen. The following icon, the cog, enables users to toggle visibility on and off for geofences, points of interest, and custom layers. Clicking on the toggle switch that corresponds to the feature that you want to show or hide will toggle that feature on or off accordingly. The final icon at the bottom is the map selector. Clicking on this icon will present the different types of map views available to you. To select a map view, simply click on the map view style that you want to display. In the top corner of the map screen is the default map setting. Here, users can set the default map to display no locations or last known locations. Each time you open the map screen, your chosen selection will be the default displayed. To set the default map, click on the down arrow to present the menu. Then click on the default that you would like to display, either no locations or last known locations. Additionally, in this location you will see your saved map searches. To access the Home, People, Asset and Devices list, as well as the People filters, first click on the arrow button to the left of the default map button in the top left corner of the map screen. The Home panel will expand out to present a list of people and devices on the account. Clicking on the arrow to the right of the user's name on the list will expand an information panel showing that user's contact details, as well as what device is assigned to the user, last known location, IMEI serial number, the assigned profiles for this device, check-in schedules, tracking intervals, and any active alarms. To search one or more people from the list, click on the avatar on the left of their name to select the people you want to search. Another expandable bar will appear, the People Filters bar. Here, you can apply filters that will search by device type, person role, check-in status, and suspension status. Simply use the arrows to the right of each filter and select the option that fits your search. Now that the search feature has been moved to the map page, you can select the search parameters alongside your filter options and press the magnifying glass icon to conduct the search. You may also select the star icon to name and save up to 10 popular searches. Additionally, you can also set sort by options, such as by person name or last known location, as well as setting the sort method into either ascending or descending order. For example, you can select a person from the list and search for their last 10 known locations, and this will populate onto the map. Here, you will be able to see the results of the search for the last known location and learn more information about the transmission and the device by clicking on the events plotted on the map. In the top right corner of the map, you will see the avatar. Clicking on this will present a drop-down menu that shows a series of options based on your access level. If you're the account administrator, one of the options present on this menu will be the Account Settings option. Clicking on this option in the menu will take you to the Account Settings page, and on this page, you will be able to change company details such as the account nickname, change or update administrator details, or configure system-wide settings such as language, time zone, date and time formats, and more. To update or change any of these items, simply click on the Edit button in the top right corner of the panel that corresponds with the information you want to change or update. Towards the bottom of the My Settings page, you will see the Billing Service panel. Access to this feature must be provided by the account administrator via the permission you have been given in your role. Clicking on the Device Suspension and Reactivation button will bring you to the data grid where you can select devices to suspend or reactivate. To suspend a device on this screen, locate the device that you want to suspend and click on the Actions button that corresponds with that device in the Actions row on the right side of the data grid. Next, on the pop-up notification screen, click on the calendar icon to set a reactivation date. Once a reactivation date has been set, click on the Suspend button in the bottom right corner of the pop-up window. Note, you can also select multiple devices for suspension or reactivation by clicking the checkbox on the left side of the data grid that corresponds with the devices you are wanting to suspend or reactivate, and then clicking on either the Suspend button or the Reactivation button to apply that action to the devices that you have selected. Clicking on the My Settings option in the drop-down menu below the avatar will take users to the My Settings page. Here, users can upload an avatar image, update personal details, change passwords, update global RCC emergency contacts, as well as console display preferences such as date and time formatting, language settings, and more. To upload a new avatar image, click on the Upload New Image button, then browse to the location of the image file that you would like to use and select it. To update or change any personal details, click on the Edit button on the Personal Details panel to bring up those options. To change any of the preferences on your user account, click on the Edit button to bring up the Preferences options and make your changes. To change the password for your account, click on the Change Password button, enter in the new password you would like to use, confirm that password in the field below, and click Save. In the bottom right corner of the My Settings screen is the Export API panel. This is the Last Known Location API, enabling users to query the last known location for the device. This includes latitude, longitude, and time. Clicking on the Contact Us option in the Under Avatar drop-down menu will bring up a contact window that will provide the contact numbers and operating hours for our customer care team. Additionally, you can also send an inquiry via text, and one of our friendly customer care operators will get in touch with you. Clicking on the Help option in the drop-down menu will take you through to the Tracertrak support page, where you will find a selection of useful information, including the Next Generation Console user guide, device manuals, and plans. Clicking on the About option provides information about the Tracertrak version, account name, and account number. To log out of the Tracertrak console entirely, click on the Avatar to bring up the Below Avatar menu, and then click on the Logout option.